Hey guys, so I'm back again. This assignment involved us talking about and analyzing the slide to unlock patent. And I included the link in my blog, but if you search through Google patent and just type in slide to unlock, you'll probably find it. And so the idea is we were responsible for analyzing claim number one of the patent. Now, as we learned in class with patents, in order for a claim to be infringed upon, someone needs to mimic every single aspect of that claim, and you just need to infringe upon one claim in order to infringe upon the entire patent. So this is just for claim number one. An overview of the patent is that it's called unlocking a device by performing gestures on an unlock image. The priority date was December 23rd, 2005, and it was filed by Apple. And I've listed the inventors on my blog because you should give credit where credit is due. I've outlined some key terminology. I've specifically defined touch-sensitive display, which basically, I included more detail in my blog, but basically it means you display graphics and text and provide a user interface on an electronic device, and it allows the user to interact with the device by touching the screen. And the second thing I defined in terms of my terminology before we delve into the claim was method of unlocking. And what I meant by more, according to my interpretation, was basically that it's the process by which you unlock an electronic device. So this is a claim on the process, not necessarily the actual software itself. And so the first thing we should know is that this is a method, like we said. It's a user initiated action, literally swiping. And so the patent or the claim is on a method, not the software itself. It's on a handheld electronic device. And then we discussed in class how most people who file patents, they include what an electronic device is defined as. This includes things such as like a processor, RAM, logic board, individual components that typically go inside like a computer or whatever goes inside, a handheld electronic device. Now, what constitutes handheld is up to the discretion of, I guess, the judge who's reviewing the case and what they believe is considered handheld, or the jury who's on the case, if this was like to go to trial. And so the method must use a touch-sensitive display to unlock the device. Touch-sensitive display we defined earlier, but this display must have an unlock image or an icon at a predefined location, meaning that if I were to look at the phone and I wanted access to it, I could look at a specific spot that is very apparent to the user, and that would be very clear to me that there was an icon that represented unlocking the device. And then you must maintain contact with the display as you swipe across the device, according to this claim, until you reach a predefined ending location to move the icon. And so this is just overall my analysis of claim number one. Like we said, if every single element of this claim is not met, then it is not infringing on the claim and therefore not infringing on the patent. Thanks for listening, and feel free to leave any comments that you might have.